Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have a huge dollar store haul for you guys. And this is a local dollar store. I think it's called, I don't remember what the name of the store is. I think it's Dollar, no, not Dollar General. Dollar Zone. There you go. It's called Dollar Zone. And it's a really good dollar store, you guys. They sell, sometimes, you know, like any dollar store, you have some really good deals some days, and then some days they don't have anything. But this time around, I went and I found so many good things, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So the first two things that I want to show you guys are these super fun styrofoam balls, and these are the real tiny ones, and I thought these would be fun to add in Happy Meal boxes, just like when you add the confetti, but just add these cute little balls. These will be so cute. They had blue, not a fan of blue, so I only picked up the yellow and the pink. But you guys, how fun do these look? Just opening a package with them. Yes, it's messy, but that's the whole point, right? To just get stuff all over the place in Happy Meal. So I picked up two of those. Well, one of each. And then I posted, well, I don't have any near me, but I posted the little ice cream cones that Solange had made on her channel and Sabrina Ann had made as well. So I wanted to pick up to make different sizes. So I got these, which are, let me see, 6.5. These are 2.5 inches. And then these are 2 inches. And then I got the really tiny ones, which are 1 inch. So I picked up one of each, and these were at the dollar store for $1. Everything in this store is $1, so it's not like those 99-cent stores that they charge you more than $1. So I picked up one of each. And then I want to make some confetti because I've been meaning to do that and I haven't done it. So I wanted to pick up some tissue paper. So I picked up these 5 different colors: purple, pink, green, a dark pink, and then the yellow. So I definitely want to work on that soon. Let's see. And then I found these super cute metallic bows. I wanted the smaller ones because I found the pink ones. And Tony had made me, Craft Purge, she had made me some mail, I think for Christmas time, and it had these super cute metallic bows, but I think hers were clear. So when I saw these, it reminded me of that Happy Meal she had sent me. And these are fun. You can put these in packages and like little toppers, bag toppers and stuff like that. So I picked up one of each. I picked up some wooden clothespins because I want to do a tutorial on how you can make your own clips and paint them and do your own stuff, like attach little ephemera pieces to it. So I picked up a pack of these, and you get 48 for $1. That is awesome. Just some basic stuff. I picked up some tape. I saw these super cute unicorn cups, and I had to pick them up. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. Maybe I can fill them with some stuff and send them in like Happy Mail on like birthdays and stuff like that. So I picked up one of those. And then just as little gifts to add in Happy Mail, I got these cute little luggage tags. This is like a little, I don't know what kind of animal is this. Wait, a giraffe. I think this is a giraffe. And then I picked up this one that says, "No, it's not yours," which is so cute. And just like little gifts to add, you know. I picked up these cute little spoons to also put them if I want to send some sequence mixes. I can add a little spoon to the bag. I got some Happy Meal. I don't remember who I got it from, but they gave me 2 little jars, and it had the little spoon in it, and I thought that was such a cute idea. And I think Tony did it too with some other kind of spoon on one of her videos, which is a great idea. I picked up some of these pop dots, which I always use. And then I picked up these soft gripped scissors, ergonomic flex grip handle. Just something smaller. All my scissors are so big, I figured why not. And then I picked up this one, but I didn't realize that I already have it, so I'm just gonna save it as a gift in some Happy Mail. It's the scallop scissors. Also picked up some seashells to make some like mermaid mail, or in my unicorn mail I can paint them and kind of alter those. I picked up some of these craft storage vials. I like the fact that they have this on the top because you can add them to your tag flips with sequence mixes and stuff like that. So I got 2 different sizes of this one, here's the other size that I got, which is a little smaller. But I love the fact that it has like that little hook on the top, because you can just add it to a little binder clip and you're good to go. And then you guys, I hit the total sticker jackpot at this dollar store this week, because sometimes they have good stickers and sometimes they don't, but I really lucked out this time. Oh, you guys, and I have another one of these. These are 1.5 inch. So I got like 4 different sizes. But you guys, they had Jolie's Boutique stickers for $1. And I picked one up of each. They even had Martha Stewart. So I got this one, which is like a cute little, I think it's like a yearbook. Yeah, like a yearbook sticker. And this is so fun. These are good to use on like scrapbooking and stuff like that. Then they had these, which are fishing lures. So cute. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see it. Maybe, there you go. How cute are those? And then they had these Martha Stewart adhesive borders. They had these little Martha Stewart kites. These are adorable. I picked up 2 of these. You guys, look how cute these are. They had these Martha Stewart ones, little bombs, candies. For Valentine's, it's perfect. I picked up some of these little like gemstones in the colorful ones. Look at all those fun colors. I picked up one of those. Then they had the Coliseum, little Jolie's Bayou sticker. Picked that up. I got some of these chalk effect font stickers, like alphas. They look like scribbles to me. These are cute. Some of these little heart gems from Martha Stewart, and you get 53 pieces, like little enamel dots. I got some of these gems. Love the colors. Here's the other pack of the kites. And then they had this one, Jolie's Boutique, the Bahama one. How fun is this pack? So cute. Look at the little purse. Then they had this one. I have this sticker pack, so for $1. Now I have another one I could share in Happy Mail. Then there's this one, which is a little coconut drinks. Then they had this one. These are little pansy flowers by Martha Stewart. They had these beautiful little butterflies. They're like felt. Yeah, 4 pieces. I got these mint green ones too. I love the colors of these. And I have a pack of these and I was running out. I think I have like 2 strips left. So now I have a brand new pack. And then the last ones were these. These are photo corners by Martha Stewart. These are cute to add like on your little flip books and stuff like that. So that was a fun find. Every time I go to that local dollar store, I pick up the peach and the mint green crepe paper. These are my favorites. Always pick those up. And then you guys, I found these fun frames to share, like as gifts and stuff like that. I want to kind of get some gifts together so that I can have when I create these Happy Mail packages. So I got this cute little bear frame. I figured I could like alter it and jazz it up for my projects. These cute little cat heads. And then the cute little dog. How fun are these? And they were $1, you guys. That's such a great deal. Another idea for like some gifts in Happy Mail were these super cute tassel banners. How fun is this? And that's what it looks like when you hang it up. I think I'm going to put one in my room and one to share in Happy Mail. I picked up some of these marshmallow, strawberry, vanilla marshmallows to share also in Happy Mail. I like to send candy, so for the unicorn mail that I plan to make, this is going to be the candy for it. Another little gift that I picked up was these fabric markers. And I just thought it looked cute. The packaging was cute and it'd be fun to add as a gift in some Happy Mail. I found these butterflies. They have the pink ones, and you get 33 pieces in the pack. And these are super fun to like add in as to embellish or for anything to share. I saw Miss Averly do a video and she showed some butterflies too, and they matched perfectly fine with like Maggie Holmes collections. So I picked up one of each color. And then you guys, I found these vintage puzzles, which are fun to share also as mail. That's what I got them for. But it's vintage cereals, and this one is vintage Kellogg's, and it's a 500-piece puzzle. But you guys, look at the images. How adorable is this? So I got the Fruit Loops one. I picked up the Rice Krispies one, and that's what that looks like. And it's all like the vintage boxes. And then I got this is all the different ones. These are the Cocoa Krispies, the Frosted Flakes, Cocoa Pops, Raisin Bran. But I think these are super fun to add, like wrap them up and add them in Happy Mail. So I definitely picked them up for $1 each. I found these super cute crowns in gold. There's like a kind of like, yeah, like they're a little bit iridescent. These are also fun to add in Happy Mail. A lot of the stuff that I picked up is for Happy Mail. I picked up this pack of little paintbrushes just because I want to do the speckled effect that the Paper Treasury Ada does. I love that. It looks so cool and I want to try it. I have a bunch of acrylic paints and I figured I can use some of these little brushes. I picked up some of these mini woodcraft sticks. I don't have any this small. When I saw them, I thought they were adorable. Like some little mini pinwheels or wands would be so fun. And then, you guys, I found Velcro dots at the dollar store. I buy them for like $4 in Walmart, and I found them in black and in white at my dollar store. So I definitely picked up those. I picked up a bunch of hot glue because you can never have too much hot glue. I picked up like 3 packs of that. I picked up one of these little permanent glue tapes. I have the black one. This one is a different one, so I wanted to try this one. The black one was not bad. I don't know if it's just a different color and it's the same thing, but I don't remember it saying permanent, the black one. So I picked that up. I found these super cute pink stars. And then more unicorn little gifties. I found this super cute unicorn putty. How cute is that? This cute little unicorn fun sticker. And then Solange always, she's handmade by So. She always shows like these little animals that she buys, like little plastic toys, and she spray paints them in gold and they look so fun. I totally forgot to buy my spray paint, but I will. But I want to spray paint this elephant in gold and add him to some Happy Mail. How cute is he? So I have definitely some plans for this little elephant here. And then I got some unicorn charms. How cute are these? Also for some Happy Mail. And then the last few things, you guys, are book rings. I got some plain silver ones and then some colorful ones. I never find the colorful ones, so I saw them and I definitely picked them up. And you get 10 in a pack. So I got 2 of the colors and 1 pack of the silver rings because I was running super low on that. And then last thing is this cute little storage basket, which is good to like add any like projects that I currently make. Like if I make rosettes or something like that, I could just put this on my desk. And you can see it's like a stationary basket. They didn't have any colored ones because I like the colored ones in the picture, but they only had the clear. So I picked up one of these. But that's it, you guys. That's everything I picked up from the dollar store. It was an amazing trip. I was super happy with everything that I found. And for $1, you can't go wrong. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.